Soft morning light over the Breede River, calm, still and quietly beautiful. Tucked into the hills above the river, stay at Napky is a peaceful off-grid escape with one of the most breathtaking views around. Step inside and you'll find a spacious, open-plan layout. The bathroom is minimal and stylish, with a walk-in shower and a freestanding tub, positioned right by the window, with uninterrupted views of the river. And the bed sits just beside it, so you never miss a moment of that peaceful, ever-changing outlook. Just beyond the cabin, it's calm and open. The river feels close here, alive, with reflections and shifting wind patterns. Follow the path down to the water, where a lovely picnic and kayak area brings you even closer to the river. Back at the cabin, there's plenty of space to relax outside. Stretch out on the sun loungers, refresh under the outdoor shower, take in the view from the cargo net or soak in the wood-fired hot tub as the light moves across the landscape. And just next to it, there's a fireplace, a quiet spot to enjoy at any time of day. Inside again, the living space is cozy and simple, with a comfortable couch, a well-equipped kitchen, and a fireplace for colder nights. As your stay winds down, it's the view that stays with you. Whether it's sunrise, midday, or golden hour, it's never quite the same. And that's what makes stay at Napky so special. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.